Hey, what's up? Hey, you want to see something cool? Okay. Okay, let's see, look here. Get some big marshmallows, big ones, okay? And then you put them on a plate, okay? Super plate right here. Rotate that plate, okay? And then you come over here. Oh crap, okay. Put that right there. Okay. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, that goes there. You open that. Put this one there. Get that like that. Nice and perfect. I'm gonna stack them. There it goes. Okay. Now put it in for let's say 1 minute, and then I can stop it whenever. Like, yeah. Stop. No, dang it. Okay, 1 minute. Start. Okay, now watch. Watch very carefully. And they wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Please ignore my cousin. And they get bigger! They're getting bigger! Super humongo stuff. Okay, a little too big now. Okay? I think I'm gonna stop it now. And there you have it. Super humongo things. And they're very good. Ouch, hot, hot. Hey, and no white stuff jokes. See you.